The BMF Robson drive system is a robust mechanism enhancing roadability without unnecessary complexity. This system features a drive axle that spins a small drum, which in turn rotates the wheels of the non-drive axle. Its straightforward design makes it popular among both DIY enthusiasts and commercial truck manufacturers. Volvo offers the Robson drive as an optional feature. While Scania and DAF use third-party expansion kits, the Finnish company GACW goes further by installing the Robson drive as a standard feature in their trucks. The DHOLLANDIA DHLM is a tail lift designed for lifting and lowering loads efficiently. The DHLM 10 model can handle up to 1 ton, while the more advanced DHLM 20 manages up to 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and are equipped with 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 for lifting and 2 rotary cylinders. Customers can choose between aluminum and steel platforms. Aluminum is lighter, while steel offers greater strength. The platform width varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHLM 10 model has a narrower width of 125 centimeters. Global Air Cylinder Wheels, aka GACW, has developed a revolutionary wheel design, especially beneficial for mining equipment. Their innovative wheel integrates built-in air suspension into a robust steel frame. This design is not only intelligent, but also cost-effective. Traditional off-the-road tires for dump trucks can cost tens of thousands of dollars each and may only last 6 months. In contrast, GACW wheels are designed to last as long as the dump truck itself, offering unparalleled durability. They are also considered the safest in the industry and are fully recyclable, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Aerier Technologies claims to be the global leader in tire inspections, highlighting that nearly half of all trucks have lower tire pressure than recommended. This is significant because proper tire inflation can reduce fuel consumption by 2%, saving thousands of dollars annually. To address this, Aerier Technologies developed the Halo Tire Inflator. The Connect 3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication. It not only informs the driver of each tire's pressure, but also monitors temperature and vibrations. The sensors are integrated into the inflation device, which operates automatically with the Halo Connect Muffler 3 system. This system reduces tire-related malfunctions by 70%, and cuts carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 3 tons per truck annually. Loose debris falling from trucks can be a hazard for both pedestrians and drivers. To address this, Harsh developed the Flip and Go sheeting system, ideal for securing loose loads like sand, gravel, or garbage. This system is suitable for tipping trailers and comes with either manual or electric operation. It can accommodate trailer lengths up to 12 meters. The sheeting is made from polyester mesh, which is resistant to fading and does not absorb water, ensuring durability and effectiveness in containing loads. Starting a business in a trailer is a practical and innovative solution. BBM Food Trucks specializes in creating custom trailers for various food businesses, including sandwich bars, pizzerias, and ice cream shops. Each trailer is uniquely designed and equipped to meet specific needs, but ready-to-go options are also available. For example, a fish store trailer comes equipped with a cooled counter, a freezer, and all necessary fixtures. Depending on your vehicle, you can choose between compact, hard-sided trailers and larger, more spacious models. The fish store trailer, for instance, measures approximately 7.5 by 2.5 meters, providing ample space for operation. MAN, a company known for embracing modern technology, even contributed to developing the Ariane space launch vehicle. They continue to innovate for truck drivers with their front detection and EBA+ systems. Front detection uses cameras and radars to monitor the surroundings and warn drivers of potential hazards, particularly useful when starting off with pedestrians and cyclists nearby. If the driver fails to react in time, EBA Plus activates emergency braking and an emergency brake light. This combination is a lifesaver in dense city traffic where unexpected crossings by cyclists and pedestrians are common. Right Track Systems offers top-notch rubber tracks designed to enhance off-road performance, potentially boosting it by up to 700% and extending the life of your original tires. These tracks excel in mud, snow, and other tough conditions, providing a significant advantage. Installation takes just an hour, and removal can be done in minutes. Built to be 5 times stronger than regular truck tires, they also protect your sidewalls. The tracks are made from special rubber, making them 100% repairable. Right Track Systems can customize tracks for a wide range of machinery, from bobcat loaders to powerful 3-axle semi-trailers, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing.